Good morning students. Today I am teaching you general knowledge. In previous class we had completed 3 chapters. Today we complete 2 chapters, that is chapter 31 adventure sports and chapter 32 famous bridges. Now we start with chapter 31 adventure sports. Adventure sports include extremely dangerous, life-threatening activities that involve speed, height and high level of physical exertion. These activities are not to be performed by untrained people. They require specialized gadgets and rigorous training under the guidance of a trainer. In this chapter, we reverse the order of the letter to know the names of the following adventure sports. First picture is this. And the sports name is snorkeling. Sports name is snorkeling. Second picture is this. The sports name is ice climbing. Third picture. This sports name is bungee jumping. Now come on, fourth picture. See this picture. This sports name is sandboarding. Sandboarding. Fifth picture is this. And the adventure sports name is surfing. Now come on, sixth picture. On sixth picture, this is paragliding. This adventure sports name is paragliding. Now, seventh. This adventure sports name is skateboarding. Skateboarding. Now come on, 8th picture. This sports name is rafting. Rafting. Yes. Now 9th and last adventure sports name is skiing. Chapter 31 is completed. Now come on, chapter number 32, famous bridges. Let us read about some famous bridges here. That is Pearl Bridge, Qingdao Haifa Bridge, Bower Bridge, Bandra Worli Ceiling. This is also called Rajiv Gandhi Ceiling. Now we start with Pearl Bridges. Pearl Bridge. The Pearl Bridge in Japan is the world's longest cable suspension bridge. It was completed in 1998. The bridge connects the island of Awaji to Honshu. Before the bridge was built, the only way of commuting was the passenger ferry, which would often experience dangerous storms. Second is Qingdao Haifa Bridge. Qingdao Haifa Bridge is the world's longest over-water bridge in China. It was opened in 2011. The bridge is 26.7 km long. The bridge has 6 lanes to serve an estimated 30,000 cars each day. Now, third is Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is a movable suspension bridge located in London over the river of Thames. It is next to the Lower of London and has been an iconic symbol of London for decades. Its construction began in 1886 and lasted until 1894. Fourth and last is Bandra Worli ceiling. Bandra Worli ceiling, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi ceiling, in Mumbai, India, was inaugurated in June 2009, linking the main island of Mumbai to its suburbs. This bridge is India's first 8-lane freeway over the sea. The bridge has been built to reduce traffic congestion and to help commuters cut down their travel time. Types of bridges. Bridges can be categorized into the following types of structure, that is beam bridge, truss bridge, cantilever bridge, suspension bridge, arc bridge, cable stayed bridge. What is beam bridge? Beam bridges are the simplest structure form for the bridge span supported by a pier at each end. Truss bridge. Truss bridge are bridges whose load-bearing superstructure is composed of a truss, a structure of connected elements usually forming triangular units. Third is cantilever bridge. Cantilever bridges are built using cantilever structures that project horizontally into space supported on only one end. Fourth is suspension bridge. Suspension bridges are those in which the deck is hung below suspension cable on the vertical suspenders. Fifth is arc bridges. Arc bridges are bridges with abutment at each end shaped as a curved arc. Last is cable stayed bridge. Cable stayed bridges have one or more tower from which cable run directly to the deck, forming a series of parallel lines. The exercise of this chapter is given. Below are the pictures and the name of some famous bridges. Write the types of bridges in the space provided. The exercise of chapter 32. Given below the picture and names of some famous bridges, we write the types of bridges in the space provided. Now, first picture is for Howrah Bridge. This is the type of bridge is suspension bridge. Second, Lake Pontchartrain Causeway Bridge. The type of bridge is arc bridge. Third, Kyomin Bridge. This is a cable stayed bridge. Fourth is Akashi Kaikyo Bridge. The type of bridge is suspension bridge. Fifth picture is Evergreen Point Floating Bridge. The types of bridge is truss bridge. Sixth and last is Rusky Bridge. The type of bridge is cable stayed bridge. Now student, these two chapters is completed. Do the exercise of these two chapters very carefully. Thank you.